Today, we're crafting trophies worthy of champions from an epic video game showdown. This video walks through the process of designing and making these beautiful, unique trophies. The general design idea is to make a video game controller with a little twist that will be put on a pedestal. It starts with a basic shape in Fusion 360. Then, using a mirror tool, we finish the shape of the controller. Add a few buttons, and suddenly there's a proper video game controller. The shape is cool, but on its own, it's kind of boring. We have to spice it up with something interesting. How about a hat of a certain gaming character hanging on the side? A distant cousin of a famous plumber, electrician named Mauricio. To be confused with that other guy in the red hat. Mauricio is a true gaming legend, just not in any game you've ever heard of. He never saved a princess. He never fought a turtle. He once tried to jump over a barrel and sprained both ankles. Mauricio doesn't collect coins. He dodges rent. He's not here to rescue anyone. He's here to look fabulous and judge your KD ratio. His hat? Tilted just enough to say, I'm unemployed, but it's a choice. This cap belongs to him. And yes, it comes with the M that shall not be legally identified. Back to sculpting. Instead of Blender, which would have been far more sensible, the hat was sculpted directly in Fusion 360. Splines, surfaces, suffering, all the ingredients of questionable decision making. It would have made a lot more sense to use software actually meant for this. But learning Blender, that's a boss battle for another day. So Fusion's tools got pushed to their limit, like an old graphics card running a new AAA title. Now it's time to mount the hat on the controller. Just right, slightly tilted. The plan is to make 3 trophies, for first, second and third place. That part's easy, just duplicate the model and scale down the silver and bronze versions slightly. Now we slice the models for printing. This part, not so easy. Orienting the model to avoid visible artifacts takes some real trial and error. Due to the complex geometry, a lot of supports are needed, and where they touch matters if the surface is to stay clean and smooth. Pro tip, printing it all in one piece? Terrible idea. Cleaning supports was a full-on boss fight. Still finding shrapnel in unexpected places. So, for the silver and bronze trophies, the model was wisely split into 2 parts, the controller and the cap. Much easier to print, much cleaner results. Now about that base. No boring plastic slabs here. Jara wood was chosen. Dense, weighty, and just classy enough to make the trophies look like they belong in a velvet-lined box. Old world charm meets modern nerdcraft. After countless rounds of cutting, sanding, and swearing, it's on to the final stretch. As predicted, cleanup of the gold model was absolutely atrocious. May it never be spoken of again. Threaded brass inserts were installed using a soldering iron. Not strictly necessary, but they help with alignment and keep everything locked in place while the epoxy cures. And here they are, a glorious trio of golden, silver, and bronze trophies for the luckiest, most skilled, and most controller-obsessed players out there. If this video entertained or inspired in any way, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel for a regular dose of creative mischief. Mauricio approves. Probably.